What if I told you you don't need to burn gas anymore?
This is the LOFI Stove 2. It's an ultra-compact and fully contained wood stove, and it's perfect for cooking up meals or heating up a coffee while you're outside. Just fill it with a handful of twigs, driftwood or pine cones, connect it to your phone or power bank, and light it with your favourite firelighter. The powerful internal fan will have the fire ready to cook in under a minute. You can even adjust the heat output just like you would on a gas stove. It really is that simple.
Being made from titanium, this stove weighs less than your phone. Inside, a tiny heat-proof fan pushes air through the fire, creating a clean and efficient burn. And it's this airflow that keeps the base cool, protecting the ground. You can adjust the heat with the control cable, and it's so efficient that you can boil 2 cups of water in just 2 minutes, and it will use just 1% of your phone's battery. Fuel for this stove is abundant, free and sustainable, but if you're above the tree line, you can use wood pellets instead. So that's it. No fuel to carry, no waste to pack out, just a tiny stove that turns twigs into a whole meal. Now that's lo-fi.
If you've enjoyed this video, please do consider backing the project. Cottage industries like myself, like LOFI, just wouldn't exist without your support, and Kickstarter as a platform is just invaluable for keeping innovation alive. If you want to learn more about the LOFI Stove 2, please do check out some video reviews below. And pledge today to help make gas a thing of the past.
Visit lofi.com for more information or find out more on YouTube or Instagram. I'm Johnny Lo-Fi.
Enjoy!